Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Alex Delgado Forever. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make paper claws. Yeah, just thought it would be a nice DIY project for Halloween, because it's almost coming up. So anyways, let's get to crafting. Okay guys, so here's what you need to make paper claws. All you need is just a piece of paper about the size like this. So what you gotta do first is you gotta take top of this corner here, and then you gotta try and fold it like this. Try to get it lined up right here, and then you just crease it and fold it all the way up here like this. And then what you gotta do is take the tip of this corner and you gotta slide it like this. Like that. And then you gotta take this bottom corner here and you gotta try and do it like this. And then take this corner and go it around like this. Okay, so now you gotta fold it like this. There. Now you gotta take this corner here and you gotta try to fold it right here in the middle so that the tip can match the other corner like this. Now fold it back up, and now you gotta take this side and you gotta fold it like this. And now you take this and fold it like this. You open it back up. And then see the inside here? All you gotta do is just fold the last bit here. And then all you gotta do is take this and you gotta try to get it in there and get it inside here. And there. That's how you would make a paper claw. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any of my other videos. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at AlexDelgado780. And that's it all for today, everyone. Have a nice time. Bye.